Right, let's see if this works. So I've got a 6502 processor here. The address bus is connected to all these LEDs across here. The data bus is connected to these LEDs over here. This is my simple clock, which you can switch between being a pulse or sort of free running at a variable rate that you can control with this potentiometer. EEPROM chip is down here, which was an absolute pig to wire up. So let's get it running. So at the moment the clock is on the single pulse, so if I switch it into kind of free running mode, we should see the address bus counting, and there we go. It does seem to be actually working. It is, you can see it is stepping repeatedly through the instructions in memory. I'm not sure it's doing exactly quite the thing I wanted on the data bus. It should be blinking alternate lights, but I may have misunderstood quite what you get out of the data bus when you wire LEDs up. But they are working. I can see activity on the data bus and on the address bus, and it does seem to be stepping through my program and counting through. So something is working. Might not be exactly what I intended, but it's a good step in the right direction.